Ted, what are you doing?
Warding off all the bad spirits. Pop, pop, pop. Just had one that just killed our plotter. The plotter pool. The plotter pool comes, guess who it makes unhappy? Does he look happy right now?
Doesn't. Oh man, it's starting to get smoky. Is that where it was last seen?
Yeah, destroy our plotter.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Rest in peace, plotter. Rest in peace.
It's not like it's gonna make it work again. I'm trying to banish it before the new one comes.
Here is another Clearbra damage test. Check this out. Tesla Model X, we worked on this a while ago. Clearbra the entire thing. Typical Model X damage on this body line here. This is probably from
the garage. What do they call garage?
The garage.
No, but there's something else. There's something else.
Okay, so anyways, on this typical body line, so this is probably from the garage, right? Opening this door, because the sensors on this thing, they're pretty good, but again, as you can see, they're not the most accurate, so it probably hit something in the garage. But the good thing is there's Clearbra on there, which is what you see here. It has lifted up the Clearbra quite a bit, but what we want to see is how much damage actually went through the Clearbra and onto the paint.
Are you getting this? Because I'm about to go. Get it from the bottom.
Alright, so we have the full Clearbra taken off the door. All we have left right now is the adhesive, so once we wipe that off, we'll see what is really left. Go for it, Dustin.
Thicker than I thought.
I don't see any damage.
Yeah, so
no
I
damage.
didn't see a dent.
Yeah, there's no dent surprisingly either.
Yeah, that should have dented whatever hit it at the top because it's a body line and it's sharp. Probably should have dented it if the Clearbra wasn't on there.
No dent, no paint damage. It looks brand new. So now all we have to do is just put a new film on. We're good to go. So that is pretty freaking cool. So not only do you not have to worry about having to repaint your door panel, which costs a lot more money, and depending on the color, if it's metallic, it's not gonna match perfectly. So you don't have to worry about any of that, and you can be back on the road. So really freaking cool. You guys might remember this GT4. We had this in not too long ago, doing the decal and the wing and doing some little things here and there. Well, it's back in today because we are changing out the brake rotors and the brake pads. Is that right, Sean?
Yes.
Great.
Where are we going from?
We're going from stock to AP racing. Shit.
But stock is actually pretty crazy.
Yeah, stock is pretty crazy.
Carbon ceramics.
It's carbon ceramics.
And we're going to
Steel.
with
What? Look at this setup, guys. This is crazy. AP Racing. What are the pads? Roto Racing pads. I want to show you guys. Oh, you guys can see it right here. Look at this wing. Look at this freaking wing. So this is a different wing than what we put that Porsche decal on. This is, look at this. It's dry carbon fiber. Let me try to get up. I've seen some dry carbon fiber before, but the weaving on this looks very different. It almost looks like a unfinished raw. Really freaking nice. I'm gonna show you guys the top part once this is actually lowered down. But for now, we got the brakes to work on, so we will continue with that. So this is the current stock setup, right? Looks pretty good, obviously. And here is the new setup we got. Look at these J-hooks. That is so cool. Nice little detail. Guys, check out this wing. So this is the wing on off the GT4. We took it off because we're gonna be Clearbra on it to protect it with satin guard. So it's a matte or satin Clearbra. That way it keeps the same finish. Don't mind the goo, we're Clearbra it, but just look at the weave. Isn't it really nice?
Spartan quality?
What?
What?
It's like a functional quality.
No, it looks good.
I guess you should. It's
But it
raw
looks like-
carbon fiber, raw.
But it looks like it's unfinished carbon fiber.
But it looks like it was polished, like it was done well. It was refined raw.
Wait, what? Polish raw carbon fiber.
Yeah, it's like, you know, refined, raw. It's like we wanted to make it look like it's raw, but we're gonna touch it up to make it look a little better than that.
Look at this.
I saw it, dog.
You saw it, right?
Yes. Oh, we're gonna do a comparison, okay.
Raw finished carbon.
Dude, but it still looks refined. But it looks like it's clean though. Yes, it's unfinished, but it's like we want to make sure it still looks pretty. What is this becoming? Is this not a sick GT4? Oh my goodness. Look how cool this looks. So as I showed you guys earlier, we removed the carbon ceramic brakes, so we installed these J-hook rotors as well as new brake pads on these things. There are slotted rotors, there are drilled rotors, and there are J-hook rotors. And what these are is As you guys see, these little J designs kind of cut into the rotors. They actually help give you more additional bite, meaning more grip. It's also more durable than drilled rotors because it's not cutting all the way through the rotors. These are mainly for track cars, which is why you don't see these too often, but these are really premium and these definitely perform extremely well when you need them to. But now that we have the car on the ground, let me show you the carbon fiber wing that I was mentioning. I'm so used to seeing regular carbon fiber weaving that seeing something like this is different. It's nice, it's refreshing. So I really like it. It's very angular still. You got this little lip right here in the back. It's just super cool. There's Clearbra on here. It's not making it glossy or anything like that. So it's really cool. It matches perfectly well. So anything that happens to this is all good. No scratches or anything like that. And last but not least, we also put these numbers on each door so that way when he goes tracking, he has his numbers on there ready to go. This one turned out really nice. Ready to hit the tracks.
This is a Ryft exhaust install, Haywood.
Satin black Lamborghini Huracan. Another Huracan. Separate from the ordinary. Okay, cool. It's like Lego blocks.
What are the company you know sending Lego blocks in the box, bro?
Oh, sick. Oh my gosh, that is so nice. That's so cool. The Ryft logo welded.
The colors is so exotic. If you're gonna own an exotic car, you should be buying exotic exhaust systems.
Wow.
What?
Holy
Badass looking. Yep, there it is. There it tilts.
How did they get it to do this?
Loading. Damn, dude, we have like a freaking
It's like a
station right here.
It's like a tiger stripe
look at
thing.
that.
Hey, all you cool cats and kittens.
It's like artwork.
Huracan Performance 1 of 18, first edition. I have never seen another exhaust look this good except for the one on my GTR. That was amazing. But this is...
Oh wait, the GTR I sold?
Have you seen another exhaust look this good? I haven't. This is amazing. I mean, like this. They didn't have to do this little weld, but they did. Like this little plate here or this. Dude, of course the tips to match. Oh my god, these are so light. Alright guys, so what I just did was I took out the V-band clamp. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the old exhaust off, put the new one on, and in a matter of minutes we're going to have...
What bolts do you want me to take off again?
Take off the 10 mil ones.
10 mils to hold exhaust on? You mean 14s?
That was a trick question. You see, Sean, I do know what I was saying because that was a test.
I don't know what you were doing.
This is the exhaust dojo. It's been 2 days without Raul, and this is what Sean has become.
Does Raul's family not approve of you, bro?
Not approve of me?
Yeah.
No.
They don't approve of you? Is that why you didn't go on vacation? Did you already ask for Raul's hand in marriage? Ask Raul's father? He said no. So that's why y'all aren't married? He's not answering that one. Sore spot.
It's kind of sad to see such a nice exhaust get covered up by this shroud.
Has to be covered up by this.
I know, Sean. I know.
It's a safety hazard, bro.
But it's just, you just hide the artwork. I mean, you kind of see
You're right, it actually does. He should actually go rear bumper delete. Okay, twin turbos. I kinda miss my SI. Front wheel, you know.
on your SI.
I kinda miss that car now.
So now we have the exhaust installed. We're going on a quick test drive just to make sure that everything is working A-okay. You know what's really crazy is that it's really quiet in here still.
It is.
It's not obnoxious inside the cabin.
Way louder.
It is a little sad that we have such a beautiful art piece of an exhaust and it's all hidden from the rear bumper and from this, you know, shroud in the back. But we at least get to see the tips, which is nice because they're titanium still. So it's a nice little touch. But the cool thing is if you look into this opening here, you can see a bit of the exhaust. But man, what a freaking masterpiece of an exhaust this is. It sounds like a whip crack, you know? Just pow!
Damn, I did a good job, bro.
If you guys have a Huracan, you definitely gotta check out this exhaust from Ryft. It's amazing. I don't know of another exhaust that sounds better than this or even as good as this. And definitely no exhaust looks as good as the Ryft exhaust. It's amazing. Gotta check this out. Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Thanks so much for watching. We want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. We will see you next time. Oh, by the way, we got a cool project coming up, so stay tuned for that.
Damn, forgetting anything else, bro?
What was it to forget? What did I forget?
You said you forgot something. You said, oh, and we got...
I said stay tuned. That was it.
Oh. Okay.
Whatever, man.